Honorable Minister of Communications, Nartey George, and he is addressing the issue of the Russian man that came down and took lots of videos of beautiful Ghanaian ladies, and he claimed that he had lots of things to do with the Ghanaian ladies. Now, he's saying that it's possible for Ghana to actually go to Russia to bring him down to face charges, okay, for unlawful, taking videos of the ladies without their consent. Apparently, it is actually a cyber crime, and we'll see how it goes. Now, let's not forget that he's also wanted in Kenya and in Zimbabwe, as he also had some videos that were taken over there.
Man who came into the country. Yesterday, I caused the ministry to send an invitation to the Russian ambassador. I intend to see him this week and have a conversation with him. We're taking a very strong view of it. The individuals involved are not minors. None of them is a minor. They're grown-up adults who made decisions. What the Cybersecurity Authority is interested in, and my ministry is interested in, is not in the moral judgment of the individuals. It's in the non-consensual sharing of the videos that were posted online. That is a crime. It's not a crime to be able to convince a man or a woman to go into your room with you in 6 minutes. That's not a crime by the law. That's a personal decision to make. But it is a crime to record a person without their consent. And apart from, and even when you record and keep it on your phone, and the person finds out and reports to us, we'll prosecute you and you go to jail. That's the law of the land. Now, you don't just record it, but you go and post it on a website for financial gain. That gentleman will be looked for. We will activate every resource in our disposal, working with Interpol. The way we've worked with Interpol to extradite Ghanaians to other jurisdictions, we will request the Russian authorities, and that's why I've invited a Russian ambassador, to work with our law enforcement. We want the gentleman to come to Ghana, to be brought back to Ghana, extradited to Ghana, for him to face the rigors of our law. Ghanaian citizens, irrespective of their decision-making,